As we begin, I want to tell you a story. It's not long, just a moment in time, but it's one I think your body knows well. There was a day not too long ago where I felt like I was walking around with a storm inside my chest. Not a dramatic storm, just a quiet one. The kind that hums under the surface. Tight jaw, tight breath, tight thoughts, but keeps moving because it thinks it has to. Maybe you've had days like that too. Days when your body is doing everything it can to hold the pressure together. So today, think of this session as the place where that storm finally gets to exhale. A small pause, a room inside yourself where you don't have to hold anything up. To enter that room, place one hand on your belly and one hand on your chest. Feel the warmth. Feel the movement. Feel that you are here. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth, like you're letting the storm loosen its grip. This is your space now. Your place to land. Everything we do is optional, invitational, and led by your body, not by effort. We're not forcing a release. We're creating enough safety for one to happen naturally. And when you're ready, let's step into this story together. And in this story, your body is always the hero. If something feels too big, too fast, too intense, pause. Your body is wise, and it never needs to prove anything to be worthy of healing. We begin this journey of movement by unpacking the armor. Every hero in every story wears armor, but we forget how heavy armor actually is. So begin by rolling your shoulders, slow circles, like you're loosening straps no one else can see. Inhale up and exhale down. This is the armor we build when life asks us to hold too much, when we're overwhelmed, when we're irritated, but keep moving forward. An affirmation as you roll your shoulders is, I release what I no longer need to carry. And reverse the direction. Feel what softens. Feel what warms. Your story is already changing. Next, we are going to open the armor around the heart. Interlace your fingers in front of your torso and bring your arms up over your head. Take a deep breath here with your hands above your head. Keeping your fingers interlaced, bring your arms down with your hands in front of your pelvis. Roll the shoulders back to open and expand the chest. After a few breaths, relax the hands to open the chest further. Interlace your fingers behind you. Draw the shoulders back. This is the part of the story where your heart peeks out. Not wide open, not exposed, just allowed to breathe again. Stress collapses the chest. This movement reverses that collapse. An affirmation here is, I open my heart without losing myself. Now we prepare for the release. Maintaining your fingers interlaced, take one step out with each foot, widening your stance to shoulders width apart. Then fold forward, allowing the glutes and hips to relax and release any tension they are holding. If keeping your fingers interlaced is challenging at the moment, feel free to release the fingers and allow your arms to dangle freely towards your toes. Maintain a straight spine, bending at the hips, letting everything drape down. The story shifts here. This is where your body sighs. Let the head hang. Let the spine lengthen. Let gravity help you loosen the pieces you have held so tightly. This is the body's quiet surrender. An affirmation to repeat or think in this motion is, I let go, even if just a little. When you are ready, flex through the glutes and inhale as you return to a fully upright position. Here, we shall address the memories of the spine, coming down onto your hands and knees. Your spine has been a witness to every stress, to every moment you held yourself together. On your inhale, arch open, lifting the heart. On your exhale, round and curl, letting the truth of the day melt. This is the part of the story where breath meets movement, where tension begins to unwind its narrative. You can affirm here and now, my breath resets my body, and continue to move in your own rhythm. Let your spine tell its truth. In our next motion, we shall wring out what is no longer serving you. Now, coming to a seated position, twist to one side. Stress and anger love to hide in the gut, the place where instinct meets memory. This twist helps the body wring out what doesn't belong to you anymore. Here, you can affirm, I release what is not mine, and switch sides. Feel the story lighten. If it feels comfortable to you, reach forward, grabbing your toes, ankles, or shins, and pull gently. Here, you can choose to round the spine, providing a stretch to the shoulders, or you can elongate your spine, giving a stretch to the lower back. The following motion helps you to make room to breathe. Returning to a standing position, lift your right arm overhead and lean left. Brace your core here to stabilize the spine. Bending at the hips, imagine the body saying, finally, there's room. Stress tightens at the ribs like a corset. Breath gets small, thoughts get loud. As you stretch, you are rewriting the pattern. The deeper the breath, the calmer the heart, the clearer the mind. An affirmation here is, it is safe to take up space. When you are ready, take a deep inhalation and rise to center. Exhaling prior to reaching for the other side. Let your story expand. In this final position, we let the body speak. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Every story has a moment of truth. This is yours. Start by shaking the hands, then the arms, then the legs, and let the whole body move. Not violently, not forcefully, just freely. Animals shake after danger. Humans store it. This is your body remembering how to finish the stress cycle. Shake for 30 to 60 seconds. Pause. And if you feel willing, shake again. Here you can affirm, it is safe for me to release pressure. Let the story release through movement. Now it is time for the quiet after the storm. Let us now allow our bodies to rest after this movement practice. You are welcome to lay with your hands at your sides or place a hand on your heart and belly. Feel the warmth. Feel the buzz. Feel the steadiness returning. The storm inside you isn't gone, but it's different now. It has space to breathe. In the story you just lived, something shifted. Maybe subtly, maybe noticeably. Your breath is deeper. Your body is softer. Your mind may be clearer. That is not an accident. That's the power of showing up for yourself. You didn't force a release. You created a sanctuary where your body finally feels safe enough to let go. A closing affirmation is, my body knows how to heal. I just have to keep showing up for it. Thank you for being here. Thank you for choosing yourself. And remember, your story is allowed to change at any time.